Misizulu ndaba ezitha bayede lalela mina ke umnakeni lomdzala ngawukhuluma nawe ngeSiswati namhla ngoba uliswati wena nguvile uthi umfati lo nenvodza kufuna cele kule ndvodza yakhe angahambi nje asabonakala lapha nalapha. Lalela mina ke uMsizulu ngumzala wami wena but nengibhuti wakho lomdzala yena ngiyakuthanza angathi noma uyakwadini lokho. Mine nawufika la America utofundza esikolweni. I was already a senior accountant in a major multi-billion dollar corporation in America when you met me here in America. So number 1 ngifundzile, number 2 ngismart, kwesi-3 ngiyaboniswa. Nkulunkulu uyangibonisa mina, wangibusisa, I'm ordained. Kuningi lengikubonako that ordinary people cannot see. Mina ngabona ukuthi udaba inkosi wena akuvala amandleni nasengadini ukuthi udaba inkosi. Ungasho ukuthi uyinkosi ngoba ungumthakathi. Njengoba usho awusiyinkosi ngoba ungumthakathi, uyinkosi ngoba wabusiswa ngamakhosi, wabusiswa nguNkulunkulu ukuthi ube inkosi ngesizulu. Hayi ngoba umthakathi ukuthi uyathakatha, you made yourself a king. No. If you want to be a successful king and have a legacy ngesizulu, you must mimic and emulate your creator. Your creator is your grandfather, the kingmaker. My grandfather is your kingmaker. Your grandfather is your kingmaker. That is the genius uLomabanda, King Sobhuza II. You must mimic and emulate our grandfather, King Sobhuza II, the greatest king to ever walk this planet Earth, worshipped by other kings, worshipped by Ronald Reagan, the president of the world, who ended the Cold War. Ronald Reagan was worshipped by Queen Elizabeth II, was worshipped by people like Oliver Tambo, all the presidents of Southern Africa, including Amabhunu namaPutukeze Mozambique. He was a genius way ahead of his time. uLomabanda, umkhulu wakho, umkhulu wami, Misizulu. Uyangiva mina kethu. Ngiyehluleka ukukhuluma nawe ngelicingo ngoba uphendvula incingo. Ndawukhuluma nawe vele la ku Facebook ngoba ngiyakuthanza. Mina, I wanted to organize your security detail. I'd spoken already to one of my big friends who's a lobbyist on Capitol Hill, a former FBI agent who penetrated Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, and the KKK. You must go and Google him and see what he has done. He has been involved in child trafficking cases. He has been involved in drug smuggling. He's been involved in busting cases, money laundering across the globe. He has organized the security detail for heads of state, including his best friend, Benjamin Netanyahu. Yangiva Misizulu, that's the fellow I wanted him to put together your security detail. Ungalandi security detail from Makosetive, Abu Manchingelani. No Muyulandi security detail from the South Africans. They are not going to protect you at the level I wanted you to be protected. Nobody, Misizulu, under no circumstances should anybody be recording you in your private quarters. Under no circumstances, whether it's your wife or your sister, angati ukuthi irekhodwe ngibani le video. It's either umfati wakho noma lo sisi wakho. We are vulnerable. Uphethe ngisho ibhodlela letshwala. Kusho ukuthi balamanje la mangakufela ngisho poison. Bakubulala Misizulu lokutsakiwe utawahamba uyolala lapha ebedroom. Bafike bafake lo chef lapha. Uvuka uthathe lo tshwala uthi ungaphinza uvuke. Mina Misizulu, I wanted the security detail where you are 10 steps ahead of everybody. 10 steps ahead of everybody that surrounds you. you know everything about them. That's the kind of security detail I wanted around you. Kutsi Misizulu before bafikele kuwe so wathi konke lebeta nako bayeke fikile kuwe. That's the kind of security detail I wanted around you, Misizulu. Bengidakutshela futhi the cost formula. The whole cost would not have been on you. You understand, Misizulu? Awukhuluma namuntu ukhuluma nenkanyamba. So if tawuchubeka nabo makhosetive nabo Shembe so umbonile Shembe ukuthi silima angithi ngakutshela mina wangilaleli umbonile ngalo ukuthi Shembe silima usetambona makhosetive ukuthi silima. You don't owe that guy nothing. He paid for you at school here. You are now a billionaire, Misizulu. You can pay him off. Meaning I could have made you a multi-billionaire by now, a multi-billionaire, by bringing direct foreign investors from United States to invest in Zululand and marketing Zululand as a destination of choice in South Africa. But awubambi mshini Misizulu. Awubambi mshini uphayiza njengomakhosetive. Worse than makhosetive. King Sobhuza, your grandfather, my grandfather, drank. King Sobhuza, your grandfather, my grandfather, smoked weed. But never will you catch him off guard. Never. Because he was 10 steps ahead of everybody. Young for Misizulu, I hope you got the message. But let's sit down and talk. I mean, I'm flying down to South Africa. If you're interested in meeting me, I'll give you a location. And you come meet me there. Okay, Misizulu. I mean, I'm here to help you. Now ngafuna ukuthi umfana enkosi akuside. Utawufa Misizulu batakubulala. Okay, bye-bye.
Guys, welcome back to Mzansi Daily Affairs. This is very sad news. According to me, we all have a different opinions because this guy, he is the king of the Zulus, and the image that he represents is pure lineage from the king, and the history of his lineage should always be protected at all cost, and the image of that should always be protected. Buffett, that's how I feel. So since this went out and now people are looking down upon the king as to say that he is a drunkard and whatnot, no, it can't be that. But then if the king really has a problem, then I hope he can actually find help with his alcohol addiction if he has one, and if he actually has a problem with abusing his wives or his wife, I don't know, then he should seek attention. He should seek professional attention, and so that he can talk over everything concerning his family affairs. So this is really, really sad to see what the king is actually going through, because the way it blew in the sense that this is a king. This is not just a random man who is actually saying these things to his wife. Fine, it would have trended, but no, it blown to this extent because King Misizulu, is a king, is a man of high status. So, but nonetheless, I have my opinions, and please tell me what you think in the comment section. Let's discuss that in the comment section down below. And if you're new to Mzansi Daily Affairs, please also consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach 100,000 subscribers.